Okay, today on the outside like hey Mo. You know what I heard? What croaking? During daylight. I thought you put down all day all night. I thought all night. But during daylight? I don't understand. Get up over there. I'm gonna get it in my shoe. Don't want to sit there with it blown away with the wind. Yeah. Boy, why crazy bullshit, you know? Croaking during daylight? I never understand. But it's natural, you know. Can't leave it with those. Okay, look at that. That guy loud. Oh shit. What the heck? What? He said dank dank. Like point of mine. Dank dank. You know? What the hell? Oh, the air detention machine. Ah, don't worry about it. Let's take a look over there. Oh, come on, more egg? Oh, it's something weird. Damn. Shit. I like the frog of my thing, you know. I don't see the frog that had. But I don't see it in them. I'll show you that under the door. You know what? Let's just go back in there and see what happened. Man, I'm pretty loud with that. What over there? Stop. Kind of weird, isn't it? Oh, shit. Doing it in the morning, it's really cold now. Pretty warm now. Kind of weird, is it? Huh? Never cooking. Nothing. Oh. Well, nothing. Oh well. Let's stop. Kind of stuck. Oh well. Kind of weird, did this? You want to go to the loud croak there and stop on the way for one wash. Oh well. Bye.